Hi guys and girls, this is Henrichi here today. Thank you so much for tuning in to our channel. I'm so grateful to have you here and truly appreciate you all. Today, what I'm going to be talking about is Ethereum and what I think about the market structure and where price is possibly headed. Please note that nothing I say in this video should be used as an investment advice. It's basically my opinion and it's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So, Ethereum, as you can see, the reason I used log to help me expand it is so I can see the price actions beneath clearly, because if I leave it at the normal charts, I can't really see the previous price actions and gets a bit confusing. So because Ethereum is really volatile, crypto is really volatile, I have to use log in order to expand the chart and show me past price actions so I can understand how price moves. So as you can see right here, this was our low, and after price made this low, we saw a displacement, left an imbalance, and price came in, mitigated this imbalance, and displaced, left an imbalance here and here. So if you wanted to accumulate Ethereum, you will be waiting at this imbalance. Yes, price could also come to this imbalance, but you're not 100% sure of that. So it's basically best to always focus on the first imbalance. Once price come there and you see a daily break of structure, 4 hour break of structure, yeah, that could be a signal that the trend has shifted from intraday short-term bearishness to bullishness, and then that means that you should be buying and not selling after price had this drop into this imbalance. So I'll just clear it so you can see clearly. So this is the imbalance. Yes, we could have seen price come down into this imbalance, but this asset is really volatile and also is very bullish. As much as Bitcoin and crypto, the entire cryptocurrency markets has really gone down to 50, 60, 70, even some have gone to zero, some have gone to 99% and losses. I am still bullish. I am still very 100% bullish in crypto, because if you're looking at crypto between January 2022 to December 2022, if you're just looking at the price action for that 1 year to determine where price is going to be in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years, you cannot actually get the right information. You have to focus on the entire trend. Like from this was in 2015, so this is 7 years. 2015 to 2022 is about 7 years. From here to current price action is 7 years price action. This is what you focus on, and between that 7 years time period, this is bullish. The trend is up. So in my opinion, if I wanted to buy Ethereum, I'll be looking at buying Ethereum from this zone. If once I see a change in character, in price, once price come into this zone and show me a daily break of structure, 4 hour break of structure, I will buy and hold. Because if you look at this move price made here, came down into this imbalance, and it didn't come too deep into the imbalance. As you can see here, price just tapped into this imbalance, slightly into the imbalance and left. And as you can see here, tapped slightly into the imbalance and left. So I won't be surprised that what we're seeing here is an accumulation phase. Yes, it's very, very possible that price could come lower to mitigate this other imbalance here. It's possible we could come even lower to mitigate this imbalance here. But I will only focus on the price action that I see once price is inside this first imbalance. I'll go to my monthly, and from my monthly, I'll scale down to my daily and my 4 hour. And if I start seeing change of character in these time frames from my 4 hour to my daily, I will start to accumulate long positions on this asset, because whatever price did here, you see this here, whatever price did here, this accumulation that generated this profits is what I will expect price to do here, accumulation, and give me something similar to this push from here to here. And that is 6,000%. And this will put Ethereum at 55,000. So this is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen next week, next year. But I don't know when it's going to happen. But this is me trying to evaluate the price action on Ethereum to show you the forecast of where Ethereum could possibly be headed. So if this has a potential to hit $50,000 and it's currently sitting at 1,000, that means you're getting it so cheap. Yes, it could go to 800, 500. It's not going to matter in the next 5-10 years when you're telling someone you bought this at 1,200 or you bought it at 800 or 500. It's not really going to matter that much, because someone's going to look at you like a genius. You bought this shit at like 1,000 and it's went so high to like 50 grand. So not financial advice, not me telling you to go rush in and buy this right now, but this is just my opinion and how I look at these things. I look at the long-term potential and not just the intraday price action. So going down to monthly, you can see the imbalance here price came into. So I'll work with this imbalance and I'll look to see if there's been a change of character since price came into this imbalance. And going to 4-hour time frame, you can see price came into this, and the 4-hour time frame after we came into this zone, there was a change in character. Price broke structure here. I'm not saying that we've bottomed. I'm also not saying that we haven't bottomed. Nobody can tell you that we have bottomed or not, because price can always do whatever it wants to do, and I'm not trying to predict. I'm just going off what I see. So basically, this is a change in character in 4-hour time frame. So I'll be looking towards accumulating in this zone, this imbalance here, and as you can see right here, price still came into this imbalance, mitigated it, and then broke another structure. So where will I categorize as my swing high daily structure? Now looking at this, I'll categorize here as my swing high structure. Here is my swing high, and here is my swing low. And as you can see here, the swing high was not broken on the daily. It wasn't broken. Swing high, swing low. Price couldn't break this high. It grabbed the liquidity, and then we came down again. So we could still possibly grab this low and keep going lower, or price could mitigate something and will break this high. And once this high gets broken, I am very, very confident that Ethereum is gonna rally. No financial advice, my opinion for educational purposes. Always do your own research. Do not take my word for it or invest blindly because I talked about an asset. So this is my analysis, and I hope you guys and girls enjoyed it. And I wish you a happy new year. So take care.